Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, looking for a way to make extra money online in 2025? The internet is creating more opportunities than ever, and today, I'll break down the top side hustles that can make you real money. Some even passively. Stick around because I'll also reveal the #1 most profitable online side hustle at the end. If you want more ways to make money, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. The world is changing fast. With AI, automation, and remote work taking over, traditional 9-to-5 jobs are becoming less secure. That's why online side hustles are the key to financial freedom in 2025. The best part? Many of these don't require a degree, a lot of money, or even prior experience. Now let's dive into the top 7 side hustles for 2025. These opportunities are not only lucrative but also flexible, allowing you to work from anywhere, anytime. Ever wanted to sell custom t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases? With print on demand, you don't need inventory. Just upload designs to platforms like Teespring, Redbubble, or Printify, and when someone orders, the company prints and ships it for you. Potential earnings range from $500 to $5,000 per month. Tools needed: Canva for designs, Printify, and Etsy. If you have skills like writing, graphic design, video editing, or even voiceovers, you can get paid as a freelancer on sites like Fiverr, Upwork, and TopTal. Even if you're a beginner, AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Adobe Firefly can help you deliver professional quality work fast. Want to make money from YouTube without showing your face? You can create faceless YouTube videos using AI tools like InVideo, Pictory, or ChatGPT to generate scripts, voiceovers, and animations. Monetize through YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships once you reach 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours. Affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions by promoting other people's products. You don't need to create your own, just share links and get paid when people buy. Start with programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or PartnerStack and promote products through a blog, TikTok, or even YouTube. Selling digital products is one of the most profitable side hustles because there's no inventory, shipping, or ongoing work. You create the product once and sell it forever. Popular digital products include ebooks, Notion templates, online courses, stock photos, and resume templates. Drop servicing is like freelancing, but you outsource the work and keep the profits. Instead of doing the job, you find clients, hire freelancers, and charge a higher price. For example, charge a client $500 for a website design, pay a freelancer $200 to do it, and keep the $300 profit. The best side hustle in 2025? AI-powered businesses. With AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and DALL-E, you can automate tasks, create content, and scale businesses fast. People are making money with AI-generated writing, art, code, and even AI chatbot consulting. So there you have it, the 7 best online side hustles for 2025. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And if you want to learn more about how to build passive income, check out this next video.